How would you like to be able to have your own AI send a direct message to the phones, tablets, and computers of 3 billion people all with a single click of a button? And not just any AI. I'm talking about instant access to your own premium accounts of ChatGPT-4 Omni Plus, Google Gemini Ultra Advanced, DALL-E 3 HD, Whisper AI Text-to-Speech, Midjourney Mega, Leonardo AI Pro Plan, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3.1, plus 15 other premium AIs. Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could train these premium AIs with one click and turn them into your own messaging machine that got you a 98% open rate, reaching people in 180 countries, blasting your affiliate link to millions of people in seconds. That's right, a social media autoresponder that works on Instagram and Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, TikTok, Reddit, and LinkedIn. This fully automated collection of premium AI does everything for you. Meta Llama finds and collects social media leads 24/7 for you, including people's phone numbers, then messages them using ChatGPT Omni Plus, Gemini Ultra, or Copilot Pro to close affiliate sales for you. It works in any niche and never stops to eat or sleep. It's always online and talks just like a real person. It can even handle all your social media presence in a way that looks 100% real. That's right, your own premium AIs will write posts and generate images for you, Midjourney and DALL-E included. Premium AIs will publish, schedule, and reply to comments for you, ChatGPT Omni Plus, Gemini Ultra, Copilot Pro. The AIs will message people for you 24/7 and talk like a real person, Meta Llama 3. The AIs will message people for you 24/7 and talk like a real person, Meta Llama 3. The AIs will promote your affiliate link everywhere, 25 plus different premium paid AIs working for you 24/7. Introducing Prestige. Facebook has 3 billion plus users and they each check their Facebook an average of 30 times a day. That's insane. Want to hear about Instagram? If we divide the time spent on Instagram by the entire population of Earth with internet access, the average is more than 1 hour spent a day on Instagram. Over 400 million stories posted daily. And if we add TikTok, Reddit, LinkedIn, Twitter, and WhatsApp, that covers 40% of the entire world population. And get this, AI-generated influencers are paid an average of $10,000 every month. What if you could create unlimited faceless influencers that are 100% AI generated, using the best of the best tools created by multi-trillion companies? Get paid up to $1,000 for influencer posts and reach people's DMs with 99% open rates. All with real AIs like ChatGPT Omni Plus, DALL-E 3 HD, Midjourney Mega, and more, all automated 24/7. Prestige is a brand new software that auto-finds targeted leads in any niche, adds them as a contact on various social media platforms, then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link. The texts are written using the premium versions of 25 plus different AIs, and it talks just like a regular person. It works for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, WhatsApp, even Reddit and LinkedIn. When people check out your social media profiles, they look 100% authentic, with actual pictures, posts, and videos. Except none of it is real, and it's all created and posted 24/7 by ChatGPT Omni Plus. We give you our own dedicated SMTPs, sending servers, and IP pools, so you can send out millions of messages at once at zero cost. Plus, the software talks with the leads to collect their emails and phone numbers you can then use as well to email or text. It's all built in. It then sends affiliate offers that are relevant based on your lead's interest and what they talk with the chatbot about, like a regular conversation, while collecting passive commissions for you. It's like email marketing on steroids, but with no list building needed and virtually 100% open rates. Best part, it even works for brand new social media accounts with 0 friends or followers. And new, just in time for 2025. It can now even create short AI videos for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram Reels. There are a few moments in our lives where we're faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are. This is one of those moments. Imagine if you could set up a full social media presence on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube for a fitness instructor, complete with pics from the gym, meal plans, and 5-mile runs. Then message millions of fitness enthusiasts with affiliate offers to supplements, training plans, and gym membership subscriptions. This is the power that Prestige brings to you today. We are stepping into a new era of social media marketing. This is your chance to unlock targeted traffic like never before and convert it into sales like never before. Welcome to Prestige.